this FM is very nice. It's to give it all overall knowledge in this world also. So it's to come and we have to get the coupon and we have to everything, lunch and everything. They used to give it very nice. They used to celebrate it very nicely and they used to give this persons also we used to give very nicely and we have to give a coupon the massages and everything they used to give very nicely. Used to be the persons. So only for ladies used to give and very nicely. They used to give it very
சாதிக்க பிறந்தவர்கள்